following a few simple tips you can produce broadcast quality footage using your smartphone camera. In this video we will explore how to capture sound. There are two main ways to capture sound when filming people: a directional mic attached to your rig or a Bluetooth lapel mic. When filming people talking, we recommend using a lapel mic. This captures the subject's voice as the main audio input and allows you to capture good quality sound even when the subject is some distance away from the phone camera. You should also collect some ambient sound from the location to use for footage when people aren't talking. A music soundtrack can make your content more engaging. You can download tracks from platforms providing royalty-free music at a reasonable cost. Good quality audio and a music soundtrack can make your content more engaging and professional.